Fresh homemade churros are the best for my kids. They love it on my first try. That is why I decided to do it again. All you need: flour, 120 grams butter, granulated sugar, salt, egg, and vanilla. Add 2 cups of water, butter, sugar, vanilla, and salt to a large saucepan. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Add 2 cups of flour and reduce heat to medium-low and cook and stir constantly. Add egg to flour mixture, then mix it immediately. Mix until mixture comes together and is smooth. Transfer the mixture into an icing pipe with a rounded star tip. Leak pipe mixture into preheated oil into about 4-inch length. Cut end with clean scissor. Let's fry about 2 minutes per side until golden brown. Then, transfer to cinnamon sugar mixture and roll to coat. Let cool for a few minutes and serve warm. It's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside.